Let's see how to insert online videos in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert an online video, first, let's click on the Insert tab. And you should see the online videos option right here under the media group. And when you click that, this window should pop up where you can type in or enter the address for the online video. And as you can see right here at the bottom, here are the supported video providers, which means that these are the websites where you can get your video from. And for example, let's go ahead and type in our video link from YouTube. And from there, you will see the preview. And if you want to insert that into your document, simply click on Insert, and the video should insert right there. And you can also play the video when you click on this play button right here at the middle. See, the video automatically played. And that is how you can insert an online video in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.